Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Unlock your iPhone and keep it awake so connections register immediately. Once done, use an Apple-certified Lightning or USB-C cable because cheap cables can fail data handshakes and charging. Make sure the connector tabs are clean, debris blocks contacts. Then choose your power source, a direct computer USB port or a powered adapter rather than an unpowered hub, because stable current and proper negotiation prevent erratic disconnects. You plug the cable firmly into both the iPhone and the computer, feeling for a secure seat. A loose plug causes intermittent failures. Next, when your iPhone shows the Trust This Computer prompt, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes data access and file transfer. Then check the host. On a Mac, use Finder or Photos. On Windows, look in iTunes or Device Manager. If the device is visible, the USB handshake completed, and you can transfer files or charge reliably. You finish by performing the action you intended: copy photos, sync music, or simply charge, and then safely eject the device before unplugging to prevent corrupted data. If the iPhone doesn't connect, try a different certified cable and another USB port. Restart both the iPhone and the computer because that clears transient driver or handshake faults. As a final step, make sure both devices run current OS versions, and if problems persist, reset network or transfer settings, since stale configurations can block USB authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.